Should have said. I said, how much? Oh, I gotta look at it. What was that, Joe? He the one told me to tell you to fill it up. It's 2 back doors going to each room. Well, that's your fault. He was here for 30 seconds, nigga. Listen, 30 seconds. So I'm at my favorite spot that I always go to whenever I get a new house. I go to Habitat Marketplace before I hit Home Depot, Lowe's and Menards and all that. See what I can get from here first to save money. Because as you know or don't know, Detroit houses don't sell for that much. Well, some of them do, but the ones I buy don't. 150 at the most, 175 probably on a good day. But average around 130. So let's go see what we can get. Looters. Oh yeah, sometimes they have vanities, kitchen sinks, all that good stuff. Definitely need some Slooters. So these bad boys is not cheap at Home Depot. Oh, let me see this one. This is the wrong color. Ooh, this. Oh yeah, this real marble. Man, they got some nice stuff. Some nice lights, I should say. And they 15% off. This is a super dope light. And it's huge. Oh, it doesn't say. But it don't got the screws and stuff anyway, so I wouldn't buy that. They got some stuff that's still in the box. 75, 15% off. This is nice. I like that one. This would be good in the dining area. So I'm really digging this light, man, but I don't know. It's weird. It's tangled up. Oh, maybe I'm overthinking it, but this is fly. I really like this. This is dope. I'm getting this already. This fan. It's pretty dope. It's 25. Beat that. Okay, let's see this. I think this would look good, like right above the kitchen sink, hanging, or when you're going upstairs, either or. But I think this would look dope right above the kitchen sink. At least 3 feet. This is 23 inches. It's only 2 feet wide, but that might suffice. So let's see what we got. We got this light heater for what's that, 15 bucks. Not bad. That's about 100 in the store. We got this one for 15 bucks, and it was on sale at the store for 34. Initially 67. I got it for 15. And I ended up buying this beautiful thing with the quartz for 25. And I bought this ceiling fan, modern look, with the aerodynamic blades, you hear me? For 25. So I got everything plus tax for $72 to get this alarm and security system hooked up. You know, wouldn't want to have another squatter situation, you feel me?
No, it's not.
It's my house.
No, it's not.
I pay for this house.
Name.
It's my meter.
My name.
Alright. Good old Simply Safe. Never leave home without it. Something up here. There's the keypad. I like me some Simply Safe because so simple. I guess that's why they call it that. It's only 30 bucks a month. Can't beat it. And I think I pay like $300 for the camera, base station, the sensors, and the motion detector. That ain't bad. I used to have ADT back in the day, man. That junk was like $1,000 down there. All right, got the Wi-Fi popping. All right.
Front door, entry sensor, detected.
My hand's starting to sting bad. Okay, there we go.
Entry sensor, added. Side door, entry sensor open.
Cool. All right. Okay. All right. Security systems hooked up. Just need some heat. Make sure y'all hit that like button, man, and subscribe. Especially if you're already watching the videos. It won't cost you nothing but the click of a button.
I don't have.
Well, that's your fault.
That's what
I might be able to park in the driveway. Oh, yeah, come on, y'all. Not. No, there y'all. I don't know why, but they got two back. Weird as hell. Two back doors going to each room. I'm gonna have to put. I might.
Is it a wall in between?
Yeah. It's two different bedrooms. I might have them build like a railing, cause they're gonna have to redo this porch anyway, cause it's bowing out. As you can see, oh, that's got to be redone. That's gonna probably be like 500. That's DTE. David Noah, pay attention. You see a dog coming? Yeah, I'll come save you. It working? I don't even like Joe. That's your boy.
I don't even like him. I don't like him no more.
What he do? He got into it with Joe. Thought you said, come on.
What? It's just on.
There you go. Okay. What's wrong? All right, we about to go in a minute. What else? They tearing all this up. Some people like this, but I don't. You know, that old school tile.
That shit look like my grandma.
Yeah, it's gonna be all new tile from the floor, ceiling. I always put the alarms. They $30 a month, so it's worth it. Y'all ready? I'm gonna show him the other house right quick.
Please exit
I'm gonna show you the one I'm turning into a rooming house,
front door.
and I'm gonna show you the one we already finished. Come on, y'all.
Rabbit and acorn.
So DTE came out yesterday to cut on the gas, and when he was trying to cut the gas on, he said the furnace, the blower wasn't working on the furnace, so we still ain't got heat. Got this jive turkey Joe about to come over here and see what's wrong with it, see if he can fix. Well, I know he can fix it. About to see what ridiculous number he gonna try to charge me. And for those who don't remember Joe, that's the one who got that loud, annoying voice.
Heck yeah, I gotta see it first before I can give you a price, man. I mean.
Watch when he talk. That's how he sound.
I just told you I gotta see it first.
Yeah, he's so annoying. Don't nobody like him. Joe, so how much is gonna cost
Cost what?
to fix?
Let me look at it. Why don't you shovel the snow or put some salt
Man,
down?
why don't you shovel the snow? Let's go. Come on. Okay, Joe.
No lights over here, nothing, right?
You see my light? The furnace is right there. Why you looking around? My guy told me just turn the damn motor, but I don't know where the motor's at.
Okay. Where's the thermostat? Upstairs?
Yes, it's on.
Go turn it all the way up.
Okay, sir.
And put it on auto.
Auto
And all the way up.
and all the way up.
You got
Yes.
a camera in the furnace, huh?
Excuse me?
You got a camera in the furnace?
Oh no, that's a motion detector. On auto. Yeah. What'd you say, Joe?
Bring me something down to the line.
What, cardboard?
Cardboard, piece of rod, anything. That's good. You got this outside, huh?
Yeah. Anything else, boss? Huh? Want me to go get you some cigarettes and some liquor too?
Oi!
Oh my God, that's so goddamn dramatic.
The motor froze up.
That's all?
I turned it. Let's see what it does.
Is it on?
It's gonna light back up.
I'm saying, is it blowing?
Yeah.
Oh. I probably should go get a filter, huh?
You need a filter? Yes.
What size? Is it bad?
You need a, I think.
I'll take a picture. I'll take a picture. What's that?
1625 by 1.
1625 1.
There's no vents on this?
I don't know. Guess
No
not.
vent?
Not over there, but it's one right here, I think. Yeah, it's one right here. You hear me?
What?
It's one right here. It's hot.
Okay, you're good. Give me $100.
Yeah, f***ing right. Give your $30. What you looking for now, man?
Shit you don't need here.
You don't know what I need. All right, you can take that for payment.
You must be crazy.
What do you want, 30 bucks?
You give me 100 like you're gonna get the other guy.
No. He said to fix it. You didn't have to fix it. You just turned it.
It's $50 just me coming out of my house.
Nigga, well, when I asked you that, that's what you should have said. I said, how much? Oh, I gotta look at it. I don't know. You didn't say 50 to come, and then once I get there, I can assess it, then I'll give you a price.
I told you give me $10 to $500.
Well, it's $10 then.
Give me 100, we're good.
Nah, nigga, you tripping. I'll give you 50 bucks.
No, you won't.
I'm not giving you no $100, Joe.
What first guy you gonna call? The one you had on the other jobs?
I don't give a I ain't joking, man. This literally was here for 30 seconds, nigga. Listen, 30 seconds. I got it on video.
It's only so that they have a service call.
If you would have said that shit beforehand, I'd been straight. I kept asking this nigga, how much? I don't know, look at it. Then when he get here, well, it's 50 to come out. What the fuck you ain't tell me that on the phone? I don't like single bulb seats.
You gotta change these bulbs soon.
I know, I was gonna have you do it, but you be tripping.
Okay, I'm tripping now.
Yeah, you tripping.
At least I'd be straight up. I could have went down there and did this, did that. But
No, I ain't no idiot. You ain't dealing with a I know if you bullshit.
you can't light the hot water tank. There's no water in it.
We know that, Joe.
I'm telling him that.
He knows that, Joe. He the one told me to tell you to fill it up.
You can't fill it up because you got leaks.
I like that sweatsuit, man. I like that. Hey, man, this nigga walked in, went to the basement.
Oh man, you still suck.
Jiggle some. All right, man, just give me 100. We're good.
That's time to see you do.
I ain't him no more, and I ain't sending him no more business. He don't know how to reciprocate. I just sent this nigga, somebody to do their house in
I haven't
Roseville.
did it yet.
I don't. But point is, I sent you the business.
Okay, I haven't did it yet.
You going to do it though?
Yeah, okay.
He assured me you was about to get the
Get
job.
somebody else then, if you're worried about it.
I ain't worried about shit. I ain't making enough of it. I'm trying to help your ass out. Your ass called me 50 times. Now you talking about you don't helping you out. Let's just jump this nigga. Let's jump him right now.
You're gonna have to kill me. You're gonna have to kill me.
You're gonna have to kill me because I'm going to the police.
You're gonna have to kill me.
With you, Joe.
Don't let me breathe to walk out of here.
Beating up old people. That's bad. That's bad karma.
What?
Beating up old people. Even the racist ones that overcharge. People they do business with every day.
You still talking?
I'm gonna keep talking. You piss me off.
You think I'll pay? You do this to me all the time.
So long. If I stick this in you, turn it, and I'll rip you off.
Trying to get this, see if I can get this camera set up. Whatever reason, when you buy the camera from Simply Safe, come with the cord, come with the camera, but it didn't come in a box. So I had to go buy a box, which is weird. Like, why not just have a whole shebang? You know what I'm saying? It's weird to me. Camera added.
To install the Smart Alarm wireless indoor camera, you'll first start the setup in the Simply Safe.
Let's see, yep, there I go. Waking up camera.